Dead good, mate. Hello and welcome to Retro Cars Reborn. I'm Lee, and let's see what's going off here. So as you saw, the MX5. This will be a quick video on seeing why it's decided to blow up again. So literally as soon as you turned the engine off, it just dropped a little piece of water out of the end of the pipe and onto the exhaust, and it has turned out that, there we go, there is the culprit. Apparently it's quite common for this hose to burst, so now it gives me an excuse to buy the full kit of silicone hoses now and get them in red to match my wheels, if I don't fall over and die first. So yeah, so there'll be a video now coming soon for the fitting of the silicone hoses on this. So on that one, I will leave the Mx5 for now, and I shall see you when them hoses arrive.